Okay, so this video is about my Nike Mercurial Victory 2s that I got purple a few days ago. 2 days ago I got. Yeah. So, yep. Here's the first pair. It's a nice pair, you know. Nice shoe, boot. Very nice. Yep. Mercurial, it says inside. Mercurial. There's a Nike swoosh. Another Nike swoosh. Nike swoosh and Nike swoosh. Mercurial. And these are right here. They're pretty clear, as you can see. They're clear. Go Heat, by the way. That's not my team. Go Heat, actually. Yeah. Well, this is the cleat. It's comfortable. It's a nice pair. I got this one right here too. Those are my crappy cleats. These are my better ones. Oh yeah. Here they are. Nike Mercurial Victory 2s in purple.